Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting the San Diego Zoo and Wildlife Alliance, aka SDZWA, Sensor Dashboard project. In collaboration with UCSD's Engineers for Exploration and Ryan Kastner's Embedded Systems Design course, we have formed a group of 6 graduate students to assist researchers at the SDZWA manage, view, and maintain sensors and sensor data spread across the thousands of acres of land they manage. Our team is split into 2 separate subgroups for development purposes, the front-end and the back-end teams. Starting with the front-end team, we have Ahmed, Brandon, and Malcolm. As for the back-end team, we have Akshaya, Ethan, and Jiping. We are all first-year master's computer science students specializing in various fields, putting our skills together to create a viable real-world product. Our team has spent the past quarter working diligently to solve data management and accessibility problems that arise at the SDZWA. We have developed a full-stack web application utilizing industry-standard technology for best performance and user experience. In designing our application, we have followed principles of modularity, simplicity, security, and extendability. With these design principles, this product may easily be extended to the increasing needs of researchers at the SDZWA, as well as provide users with a good experience. On the back end, we have created a Dockerized environment for cross-platform support, a Node.js server to host a SQLite database supported using Prisma as our object relationship manager. The front end was built using React, along with VisX as a visualization library. Our proposed web application is capable of monitoring sensor health, storing sensor data, and visualizing said data in various formats based on the needs of researchers. With this implementation, researchers at the zoo will be able to scale their systems and focus on the research task at hand, while we worry about handling the data. Now, onto our demo. Now, we'll get into the demo. On the left side, we have our Prisma Studio ORM, which will show what's in the database, and on the right side, we have our React web app. We'll begin by first registering an account. For that, we'll need a first name, last name, email, and password. Once that's entered in, you can click Sign Up. Now, we can go back to the database and see that there's a new user, Brandon, with its information being stored securely. Going back to the dashboard, we're going to add a new sensor. For that, we'll need a name, description, data type, which could be numeric, video, or audio, data source, which could be a URL or a local storage URI, and specifying that location. Once all this information is ready, you can click Submit. Using the VisX visualization library, you can also see that our dashboard tiles are interactive and responsive. Going back to the database, we now see the new sensor entry, which has various forms of metadata to tell you information about the sensor, where it's coming from, and much more. Now we have an individual sensor page, which has more information about the sensor, and it also allows you to configure the sensor. Here we'll do a little update. We'll just change the description. And as you can see, that's propagated. We can also delete a sensor if we wanted to, and now it's gone from the sensor dashboard page. And also refreshing the database, we see that it's gone. Here we'll also show that you can now log out and log back in with the same credentials you used earlier. As we can see from our demonstration, we have created a product capable of meeting the zoo's need for sensor and data management. We have high hopes for integrating this technology with the SDZWA's infrastructure and making a meaningful change in how research is conducted there. Thank you.